Welcome, engineers. Today we're exploring the three-phase interactive calculator, a tool that solves one of the most common challenges in industrial power systems, quickly determining unknown electrical parameters in three-phase circuits without manual calculations or complex formulas. Let's examine the inputs. First, you'll see calculation mode with 6 options. Calculate apparent power, calculate line current, calculate real power, calculate line voltage, calculate power factor, and calculate impedance. For this demonstration, we'll select Calculate Line Current. Next is Line Voltage VL, measured in volts line to line. Then Line Current IL in amperes. Power Factor COS Phi, a dimensionless value between 0 and 1. The connection type dropdown offers Y and delta connections for your load configuration. Real power P in watts, and finally, apparent power S in volt amperes. Here's a practical example. An engineer needs to size conductors for a three-phase motor. We'll select Calculate Line Current mode. Enter 480 for line voltage VL. Skip line current since we're calculating it. Enter 0.85 for power factor. Select Delta connection. Enter 75,000 watts for real power. The calculator instantly shows line current IL is 106.2 amperes. The outputs include line voltage, line current, phase current, real power, reactive power, apparent power, power factor, phase impedance, and phase angle. These values are essential for equipment sizing, protection coordination, and power quality analysis. One critical insight: always verify your connection type before calculating. Confusing Y and delta connections leads to incorrect current calculations and potentially undersized equipment. Find the link in the description below.